Hello and welcome. I'm attorney Brad Micklin. I'm the managing member of the Micklin Law Group, which is a law firm concentrated in men's and fathers' rights in divorce, custody, and family law matters, with offices in Montclair and Nutley, New Jersey. Today's video is a how-to video series I'd like to do every week on a special topic in family law. Today it's going to be how to respond to a motion. Now, when you're talking about motions in the family part, there could be three different pieces. There's a regular motion, there's a cross motion, and then there's a reply. So first let me talk about a motion. So if you've received what's called a motion in the mail, it should have the date that is set for it to be heard. But that's the date that's chosen by the person who filed the motion. It's not necessarily the one that's given to you by the court. So first thing you need to do is call the court and find out what date they have it scheduled for. Now, when they give you a date, I'd also recommend you send them a letter confirming it, but that's really up to you, just to make sure that it doesn't later get changed. So when you find out from the court what day the motion is heard, your response has to be in 15 days before that date. Now, when you calculate the 15 days, you do not count the day you got the motion, but you do count the day that it's actually being heard in those 15 days. You can count weekends, and if it falls on a weekend, it's going to be the next Monday. Now, almost every time that you're getting a motion, your response, meaning the 15 days that you're supposed to count backwards, is going to be a Thursday. So if you're given a motion date, you count back 15 days and it's not a Thursday, you may either have the wrong date, you have calculated it wrong, or it's possible the court scheduled it for a different date, a non-motion date. It's possible, but that's unlikely, so you want to check that. Now, the 15 days I gave to you is if you want to file what's called a cross motion, meaning you're going to respond to the motion, but you have things that you want to ask for. If you're going to do that, then it's 15 days. If you get this motion and all you want to do is respond to it, you're going to file what's called a reply, and that's going to be 8 days before the return date. Same rules apply, meaning you count backwards, you don't count the day that you got it, but you do count the date that it's being heard, and it should be a Thursday. Once again, make sure you have the dates right, make sure you calculate it right, and make sure it falls on a Thursday. If it doesn't, double check with the court and confirm everything in writing. If you need more information on this and other tips, you can go to my website, which is micklinlawgroup.com. That's MICKLIN, lawgroup.com. If you'd like to meet with me and discuss these matters, you can call me at 973-562-0100 and we'll schedule a consultation. If you want more of these videos, they're all on my YouTube page, which is Brad Michael Micklin, and many of them are also on my website. Thank you.